What does the word "ite" mean in mineral science? Now, most of you probably will have realised, if you know basically anything about stones, that many of them end in the suffix "ite", fluorite, malachite, hematite, calcite. What does this actually mean? Now, some people on crystal forums swirling around the internet seem to think that this means you can't get it wet, which is perhaps one of the most asinine pieces of advice that I've ever heard, because believe it or not, the suffix "ite" being attached to the end of a mineral has absolutely nothing to do with solubility. So if anyone ever says to you that you can't get something that ends in the word or the suffix "ite" wet, in the politest possible way, they've got no idea what they're talking about. Ite just means stone. It's iterated from the original Greek, which is lithos, and then it's been sort of evolved through Latin, I believe, and essentially just means stone. That's essentially all it means. Now, I've made videos on this in the past, but you can very often tell the age of a stone or kind of guesstimate how long we've been using a particular mineral name for if it is bereft of the term "ite" at the end. Diamond, ruby, sapphire, amethyst, terms that we very often used for thousands of years before we started sticking the word "ite" at the end of basically everything that we've discovered. So "ite" literally just means stone. And another takeaway that I would like you to take away from this is that it's got nothing to do with solubility. Just because it ends in "ite" does not mean that you cannot get it wet. It literally just means stone.